In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix one AirPod Pro 3 not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now this works for AirPod Pro 3s like I have right here, or your other AirPods as well. But a very simple fix might actually be because it's not charged properly. This could be for various different reasons. For example, your case not might be fully charged, so it might only be outputting energy to one of them. So what you want to go ahead and do is go ahead and check the battery on them. So I'm going to plug this one in right now, and then I'm going to plug the left one in as well. Now, as you can see, they're both 100% charged. That's what it's showing. It shows the case is fully charged and the AirPods are fully charged as well. So if you want to make sure, just go ahead and plug your phone and your case into a charger using obviously a USB-C connection, because that's what it needs. And then go ahead and check if that basically goes ahead and benefits you, and see if that works. Another thing you can do, if that still doesn't work, it might just be a connection error. So what you want to go ahead and do is go over to your settings, and then what you could do is go ahead and click on your AirPods, scroll literally all the way down, go to forget this device, and then aim to and attempt to reconnect it again to your phone and see if that works. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.